Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, A Little Bit of Everything with Erin. Today's tutorial is going to be using a canvas bag. I picked this one up at Walmart for less than $2. And we're going to see if the Cricut Infusible ink will work on this. It's just a cute little makeup bag. Alright, it's all cut out here on our infusible ink. If you need to see how to cut that, I will link the video to that down below in the description box. We're going to go ahead and weed that next. You do want to be careful when weeding these. It is paper, so it can pick easily if you hit it just right. As you can see in that corner, it peeled up a little bit, which didn't matter because I wasn't using that part, but you can do that to the letters too. I've done it before. Also, you want to make sure that no moisture gets on this because it's ink on paper basically, so it can make it bleed a little bit. Once you have it all weeded, we're going to flip it upside down onto the canvas bag and just find the spot that we want it to sit on and take it over to the heat press. I'm going to go ahead and place that in the press with the zipper out so it does not get stuck in there. We're going to press that for 20 seconds at 325 degrees. And now I'm just going to do a check to see if it's stuck at all. And it could go again, so this time I'm going to use my pressing pillow to see if that'll help a little bit. And again, make sure that the zipper is on the outside, and we'll press for another 20 seconds. Alright, so we're going to check it again. And it looks like it did stick on there. As you can see, it did go on there. However, the color is not as vibrant as if it was on a Cricut item. I think the polyester in the items that Cricut sells is what's really helping that ink stay on there. But all in all, it did work out. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that quick tutorial to see if this would work on other items. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. I do try to answer those right away. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Share it if you want to. That always helps me out. And if you hit that bell, you'll get notifications anytime I post new videos. If you want to see me try something else, leave a comment about that as well. I do appreciate your guys' feedback on what kind of videos I should do for you. Alright guys, until next time, happy crafting!